Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you my amazing and affordable trip to beautiful Guatemala. Some quick housekeeping before we get into the video. Please like and subscribe because I'm going to be sharing a ton more travel content, so you definitely don't want to miss out. Alright, let's get into the video. So we just got a rental car. I'm going to be driving. All right, rented a car, and now we're gonna be driving in Guatemala. And the funny thing is, we don't know the laws and stuff, so I don't know why I am designated driver. I think Ty should be, but let's see how this goes.
Key? So, use the key first.
So how do you start the car?
Because Rena didn't know. That's how you do it.
All right, okay.
Turn this air on.
All right. Oh, and we have 1 hour and like 15-minute drive to Antigua. So we're gonna see how long, but we're gonna stop and get some pollo campero chicken. Fried chicken, Guatemalan fried chicken first. So let's see if we can find that. Instead of booking tours where they provide you with the transportation as part of the package deal, you'll be surprised how much money you'll save if you have a rental car and can drive to the particular attractions yourself. Once I discovered this, it helped me save a lot of money when traveling. So we quickly found a pollo campero, which actually was not that hard to find because it's literally like Waffle House in Atlanta or In-N-Out in California. It's on every corner. So we noticed there was a really long line. Once we got in, it was kind of hard to find a table. So we decided, you know what, let's just take our food to go. The only thing is we did run into some stares from the locals. I'm sure you know that's usual. So of course they're looking at us like they've never seen people before. Hola.
It's spicy. Oh, picante, that's what they meant. Yeah, they was asking me. I didn't know what they were saying.
So I just got original. So I wanted to experience it.
Oh shoot! Oh well.
So and it came with like a piece of bread in the bag, and you know, we'll see how it goes. Pollo campero is a must in Guatemala. It was so delicious. Once we got to Antigua, it was time to check into our Airbnb. Our Airbnb had 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It was also located in a safe and gated community. The only downside is that most homes in Guatemala do not accommodate for central heating and cooling, so at night the temperatures do drop and it was a bit cold. It was not an issue because once you're under the covers, you will sleep like a baby. This is just a quick tour of the Airbnb. So this is the washroom here. It's very interesting, and this is why I like to get Airbnbs, because I like to experience what life is like for other people in other countries. So my question of the day is, I'm trying to figure out what this is. So it seems like water comes out here, right? Like that. But when I open this, it's like a terracotta pot, and I'm not sure exactly. So if you know what this is or use for it, please let me know. So once we got settled into our Airbnb, we decided to meet up with one of my longtime friends who was temporarily living in Guatemala on a nomad work visa. So he invited us to dinner at Agua Antigua. This restaurant was so cute with all the candles, and there were great views of the Volcano. Once the sun sets, you have like a live show of the lava spilling from the volcano on the restaurant's rooftop. So beautiful.
That's crazy.
Oh!
So yeah, while we were at dinner, my friend Kerwin told us about this amazing overnight hike that his friends did. And the hike lasts about 2 days, in which there is a 5-hour hike up the inactive Atitlan volcano. And you camp out overnight and you get to witness live up close and personal views of the lava eruption. The next morning you hike down. I was sold. I love wilderness survival experiences. We just had to do this hike. Like, who wouldn't?
Yeah. Let me just break this down for y'all.
This is a life-changing experience.
She's trying to convince me to probably wake up at 5 in the morning, do a 5-hour hike, spend the night outside in tents. And let me just tell y'all, we're in Guatemala and it gets really cold at night, like desert cold, like it's winter cold. And then you want to wake up at 4 in the morning, continue to hike.
It's once in a lifetime opportunity.
Once in a lifetime to freeze my butt off, and I got asthma and foot problems.
The reviews say awesome.
5-hour hike.
Awesome. Okay, it's morning, and I've somehow managed to convince Ty to go on another hike with me. This one is probably going to be a lot easier. So, there she is, dressed and ready. So my friend Ty did not want to do the overnight hike, but we settled to travel an hour away to do what I think is an even better hike, the Pacaya Volcano hike. I actually call it the Volcano Pizza hike, and you'll see what I mean by that shortly. Along the way, we grabbed breakfast, which was fruits from various fresh fruit vendors in some of the towns on the way. Doing this hike right now. They're trying to convince us to do it with horse.
I'm already out of breath, and my chest is constricting, and the hike is about an hour and 45 minutes. Chances are I'm not gonna make the 5-hour one.
She chickened out and got on the horse. I'm gonna continue the hike. Yeah, but you don't get the workout. Check out these awesome views. The hike is a bit challenging for some because the higher you get, the oxygen does get lower. But my motivation was getting to the top to bake my pizza on the lava rocks. It's windy, but these are all the lava rocks. There's the volcano, oh my goodness, it was so windy. I'll save your ears with all the wind sounds and just let you know what we did. Basically, there's a man by the name of David who offers pizza orders that he bakes on the hot lava rocks from the volcano. He usually makes the pizzas for the customers, but I begged the guys there to allow us to do it ourselves for the experience. The medium pizza cost $50, which may seem expensive, but considering we saved money by opting out of doing the very same tour on one of those travel sites, which they quoted us $235 per person, $50 was a steal of a deal. I'll leave David's information below in the description box. So now we're gonna bake this to 450 degrees in an oven, and we're gonna go ahead and get it ready for our pizza time, okay? Oh, this is hot! Saki, it's good? It's like here. Look at the lava. Wow. One, two, three.
Yum!
Absolutely delicious. Cannot beat. After a long hike, just enjoying fresh, crispy, cheesy, delicious pizza. Just overlooking the Guatemala. Look at all of those volcanoes. Outstanding view. After spending about an hour, it was time to head back down. My shoes are muy sucio, very dirty, very, very dirty. So I need to, limpiar, I need to clean them because I don't know what to do. I destroyed these hiking. There are holes in them. It's time for some new shoes. Okay, so tonight we decided to do a food tour. And Kerwin's here, Ty's over there. Where's Kerwin? Okay, he walked away. And honestly, guys, you know, I am very barato, or very cheap. So instead of paying for a food tour that was probably like $90, we decided to just do research on all the street food locations and literally just go there and purchase the stuff for ourselves. So I mean, some of the street food is probably 65 cents or $65 US. So we figured, hey, we got a car, let's just drive to a few locations, try different foods and save money. You don't have to pay $90 for a food tour. So come along with us. Bye.
Esta es olla de barro. Con aguacate. Aguacate,
so yes.
Repollo.
Sí.
Repollo y salsa.
Salsa, ok. Muy bien.
Salsa de... bonito. Ahí está. Doblada y taco. ¿Qué le damos? Buenas noches.
Okay, I will say this. If you have OCD or if you have a strong pet peeve of other people touching your food with their bare hands, I'm just going to give you a heads up that you will encounter this while eating the street food from the vendors. After the first time it happened, I just said my grace, threw my hands up, and just ate whatever was given to me. As long as it wasn't pork, I was all good.
Nos fundíamos como una sola pieza. Fuimos ingenuos.
Good morning. So it's Ty and I. Good morning. And we are on another day here in Guatemala. And yes, we are very aware that Guatemala...
Ooh, I have passion fruit.
Okay, she's so distracted. We're quite aware how dangerous Guatemala is, but really, guys, every country is dangerous. Living in America is very dangerous. Very dangerous. So if you close yourself out to not experiencing culture and life by getting in with the locals, there's so much local activity all around us. We love it, we enjoy it, we embrace it. You are going to be missing out if you stay on a resort or in a hotel where everything is kind of like controlled. So get out and experience life. You will not be disappointed. Our breakfast every day was fresh fruit from the local vendors that we supported, and on this day we drove up to Hobbitenango, and it's about 45 minutes away from Antigua, and we just got to see life, experience the children. The people of Guatemala are so beautiful. You ready? Very bumpy ride. There's no cinturón, no seatbelts. And yes, the ride up to Hobbitenango is very bumpy. There's also a selfie museum on the way up. If that's something you're interested in, you can check it out. The ride was about 5 minutes, and the entrance fee did include the shuttle ride. The views are just breathtaking. And once we got to Hobbitenango land or village, it was really, really cute. If you're a big fan of Lord of the Rings trilogy, you would have a lot of appreciation for Hobbitenango. There are a few restaurants and bars and even a hotel. You can have romantic picnics on the lawn, and throughout the entire environment there's Irish music playing, which gives it a whimsical feel. There are lots of vendors with sweets and so many places for photo ops. I was really excited about the #1 photo op, which is the famous hand or el mano that you see in all those famous Guatemalan Instagram pictures, and it did not disappoint.
Así como si nada, me pusiste todo el mundo de cabeza. Aún lo recuerdo. Cada madrugada nos fundíamos como una sola pieza. Fuimos ingenuos, me preguntan, pero ya no sé de ti.
While at Hobbitenango, I saw a swing and I was so excited because it reminded me of those cute swings I have seen in Bali, and then this happened. Oh my gosh! No, not really! Oh my gosh! What in the world? Okay, I didn't know it was this. I did not. Oh, it's happening. It's happening.
Wait! No! Oh God! No!
Oh, shoot.
It's on tight.
I wasn't ready.
Ready?
No!
Okay.
Yeah, never again. Okay, never again I am going on these people and them swing. Okay, instead we just decided, hey, we're just gonna enjoy a nice lunch and enjoy the views for the rest of the day. Well, so we thought, until this dog joined us. Oh, wait. Like, don't be snapping at me. Like,
He's not a little American dog.
I thought he was just gonna nibble it like.
There, look how skinny he is. Starve him.
Okay.
Don't play with his food like that.
Just throw it over the. Oh, you doing tricks. You see, he's catching it in his mouth. He's doing tricks now. Watch. Oh, okay. Hold on, they coming.
Oh, that was a nice boomerang. I didn't know it was boomeranging.
Ooh, okay. We had a great time in Hobbitenango. It was time to head back down, head home, get dressed to go salsa dancing. We had a really good time salsa dancing, but we were tired and needed rest for our next day.
Wait, where'd she go?
Okay, little Kim. Good morning. So today we are going to Lake Atitlan. I don't know if I pronounced that properly, but that's where we're heading. And one of my friends told me that it was nominated for one of the 7 wonders of the natural world, I believe. So I'm definitely interested in checking it out. It's about a 3-hour drive away from where we are. And we're probably gonna stop and get some snacks, some food, something for the road, because we may just buy from vendors as we travel. So let's see. Stay tuned. On our way to the lake, we had to stop off at the Lavanderia Pública, or the public laundry, and we got to witness the local women up and early doing their daily chores, hand washing their laundry. I grew up hand washing my clothes as well, so this really warmed my heart seeing women washing the organic way. This is the public laundry. She's washing her clothes. All the women from the local neighborhood are here. That's how you wash. So impressed. After that pit stop, it was back on the road to Lake Atitlan, and the drive was very interesting. It was long, the roads were really windy, lots of turns, lots of curves, and we ran into some hiccups along the way. Oh gosh, girl, I hope we're not going the wrong way.
We're fine.
Okay. Look how he's looking.
You're giving me anxiety.
I think
Just
we're going the wrong way.
No, aren't other cars going this way?
They look just as confused.
Oh well, ain't nobody told us to turn around.
This time, okay, he would have said something.
Just drive.
Oh shoot. See, there comes the police. He's saying no. Like this, it really scares me because I'm like, is this a real road?
Oh no, how deep is that little puddle?
Puddle and a lake. There's a little boy out here.
How deep is this?
I don't know.
Well, then we should ask that little boy if it's okay.
Oh gosh. Here we go. You got your seatbelt on? If water start coming in, then she's
I don't even know.
Yeah, let's just go. We're doing it. Okay, no water's coming in the car, right? Okay. Oh my gosh, where are we going? You gotta be kidding me.
Like that. Outback or something.
To make matters worse, we were lost and my phone battery started to die. Hola, ¿tienes cargador para mi iPhone? No, oh. Somehow, after being lost, we were able to make it to the Santiago dock, and our private boatman was there to take us on our tour.
No, gracias. Okay, $5 necesito manuchi.
I must say, this is the most beautiful lake I have ever seen in my entire life. So beautiful. It was a bumpy ride, very windy, but it was so worth it. I could definitely understand why this was nominated as one of the 7 wonders of the natural world, because it was just so breathtaking.
Fuimos ingenuos, me preguntan pero ya no sé de ti. Tú ni idea lo que me hiciste sentir.
So after that windy ride, we just got to San Pedro, and this is Lake Atitlan. It's so beautiful here. There's also another option, which is the water taxis, and I believe it's maybe like $7 US, and they take you to the different towns. Our boatman, he charged us $75 per person for an hour. It was a little expensive in my opinion, but at that point I just wanted to see the lake and get back to Antigua because I got a little nervous. I did not want to drive back in the dark with no street lights through the mountains, and at that high elevation the oxygen levels were low. We got altitude headaches, I must say. So we just wanted to see the different towns, which were beautiful, of course. There was a lot of shopping. Each town had like a different vibe to it, and I definitely recommend you check this out. The next time I come to Guatemala, I will be staying at Lake Atitlan so I could enjoy the beautiful lake. Even though we didn't get to spend that much time at the lake, it was so worth it. We got back into the car to drive our peaceful drive through the mountains back to Antigua. So it's raining cats and dogs. Oh my gosh, what a drive, you guys, what a drive. But once we got back to Antigua, we went to dinner to try the local dish, pepián de pollo, got dinner, and then went back and got some rest for the next day. So we are going to run some errands today. A couple of things to do. Life in Guatemala has been amazing. So stay tuned for our day in Guatemala. Okay, you see the volcano right there? It just erupted. That's why you see that little smoke on top of it. It's so beautiful at night because you can actually see the lava coming up out of the volcano, but it's kind of hard to see during the day, but it's a very clear day today. Of course, we had to stop and get our breakfast, which were fruits. We did not miss breakfast any of the days, and we also got to make some new friends. Hola, ¿qué es tu nombre? ¿Cuántos años tienes?
6.
Oh, 6.
Me preguntan, pero ya no sé de ti. Tú ni idea lo que...
We had to visit the famous Santa Catalina Arch, which is a significant staple in Antigua's history and was built in the 1600s. Fun fact, this arch contains a secret passage that was built for the nuns to cross the street unseen from the public. After a few photo ops, we did some souvenir shopping and headed to a local spa to unwind. Okay, so you know, Ty and I love getting massages, so of course we're here and we're gonna get just like a couples massage, and it's about $35 US for an hour, which is unbeatable. So stay tuned. We also booked a herbal bath, and the spa attendant took us up to their private rooftop, and at first I was a bit concerned as to where we were going, where she was taking us, but nestled in a corner was the setup that they did for us. If you do book a massage and the herbal bath, you may have to book on separate days, giving them enough time to set up the bath. I was completely and utterly blown away. It was so beautiful. There are these hot coals to heat up our baths. We also have a little fruit. Okay, so we are doing the herbal bath now, and it's amazing. I had no clue it was gonna be all this. I thought it was just gonna be in a dark room with maybe, I don't know, some essential oils, but it's so beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, if you enjoyed anything from this video or got a tad bit of inspiration from this vlog, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. This is a new channel and my goal is to grow this channel, or should I say this community, so we can share information with each other. I have a ton more affordable travel content coming up really soon and I cannot wait to share it with you.